What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a rainbow food challenge. So I've done my fair share of food challenges. I've done all the fun colors. So we've done pink, we've done blue, we've done black, and I thought that was basically it. I didn't want to do the easy colors like red, green. All of that comparatively is much easier. So I thought that is it for like my food challenges, color food challenges. But I had the bright idea of doing a rainbow food challenge. I'm not saying that I'm the first one to do it, but I personally haven't seen anyone doing it. I'm sure there are videos on YouTube, but either ways, today I'm going to be attempting to eat only rainbow colored food. I'll explain a little bit more about what I have in mind when I say rainbow. But now let's go and shop. I need to buy lots of groceries. So yeah, let's get started. Hi guys, so I am back home. I showered, I sanitized everything, and finally we can get started with breakfast. I didn't vlog in the grocery store simply because I just wanted to be in and out of the place. So yeah, let's get started with breakfast. Let me quickly explain to you guys what I have in mind for breakfast. So basically I'm gonna be making a nature's cereal bowl. So basically it's a trend going around wherein you add a bunch of fruits in nariyal pani and you drink it like cereal. I've been wanting to try that out for a really long time, but never really got around to doing it, and somehow it fits perfectly with this video because you're going to be adding a bunch of fruits, right? So many colors, and colors is equal to rainbow. So how I am going ahead with this video is basically I need to have at least 5 to 6 colors from the rainbow in the food that I eat, and only then will it be qualified as rainbow food. That's what I'm going off of. So yeah, let's just get started and make our nature's cereal bowl. Actually, before we get started, I'm just gonna be doing my nails off camera. If you want to see how I achieve really pretty manicure, like a French manicure, go check me out on Instagram. I'm gonna be posting a reel there. So we have the whole spread ready. As you can see, I already have some nariyal pani in here, and I'm just gonna start adding everything. So first I'm gonna add my chia seeds. I did soak these in water pehle se. Just gonna add a tablespoon, and here goes all the fruits. So we have pomegranate for the red, then we have the mangoes for the orange, blue for the blueberries, pink for the strawberries, and then I have 2 variations of green. So we have kiwi and we also have some grapes. So apparently adding ice is really important. So just adding 2 ice cubes, not too much, because I end up getting a sore throat. So this is all that I'm gonna add. So this is what nature's cereal bowl looks like. I think we have 6 colors in here, which is not bad. So let's do a really quick taste test. I don't know what all to take on my spoon. Here it goes. It's very refreshing, I will say that. It's interesting. I mean, it tastes like a fruit salad bowl, but with like nariyal pani. I do like all the fruits that are in here, so this is going to be really interesting and fun for me. I am going to eat the whole thing, and I'm sure this is going to keep me full for at least 2 hours. So I'll see you at lunch. Okay, so for snacks, I'm having some gems. And then we also have some chupa chup, which is basically like a khatta sour patch, Indian version of sour patch. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna have. The gems look really colorful and really nice. Chupa chup ke colors are a little ugly. Nonetheless, I think this still counts in like rainbow food. Okay, so I'm checking in after like an hour, not even an hour. I think it's been 45 minutes and I'm already hungry. So hungry. I think fruits to iske liye jaldi digest ho gaya, but I need to eat something. And for lunch we're going to be making a grilled cheese sandwich. It's going to be a rainbow grilled cheese sandwich. I'll show you how exactly I'm going to be doing this. I found a picture of this on Pinterest and it looked quite straightforward. I haven't seen any tutorials because I couldn't find any, but I think I've got it basically. So yeah, let's just go and get started. So I'm just gonna start off by prepping the cheese. So as you can see, I've already made pink cheese right here. I'm doing this by adding food coloring, of course. So I just have some regular cheese, really stringy cheese. I'm adding purple right here. You literally need like not more than 3-4 drops. So I went ahead with 5 colors. So we have purple, we have pink, then we have a yellow which looks like an orange, then we have green and blue. And I've prepped my bread, so I've just buttered them very lightly, and I'm just gonna start placing the cheese basically. So far it looks very promising. These are, by the way, 2 different toasts. इसके ऊपर मैं plain bread रखूंगी, इसके ऊपर भी मैं plain bread रखूंगी. So I have my pan ready on slow heat. There's a little bit of butter on it, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of seasoning. It will look cool, I know that, but it needs to taste nice also. So I'm just adding a little bit of seasoning. This is the seasoning that I'm using. I use this literally on everything. So the toast is on the gas. This is gonna stay on low heat throughout. Temperature बिल्कुल भी नहीं बढ़ेगा, and I'm just gonna let it sit honestly for I think 10 minutes. Oh god, 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 oh god. Okay, perfect. Looks good. So I have my grilled cheese right here, rainbow grilled cheese. I'm gonna cut it, and then we'll see if this even worked. So this is what the toast looks like from the inside. It looks so fun. So let me actually taste it for you guys. Tastes so good. I think you could totally make this for, if you have a child, you can make it for them, or if you have a younger sibling, I think this would be so fun for them. It's so fun for me also. Big thumbs up. This tastes so good. So I think it depends on the cheese that you use. That's what is gonna make the whole, like, dictate the whole taste. So I think I use some pizza mozzarella cheese. I'll pop up the picture of the brand that I use, but this is so good. So I'm done with lunch, and lunch was so good. It was so yummy, as I mentioned earlier also. But now what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna start prepping for dinner also abhi se, and I need to make one dessert also. Yeah, food challenges are really hectic. I thought that I will be able to squeeze other things in, like a little bit of editing or some emails or something else in, but from the get-go, like from the morning, I've been just making food, eating food. It's so hectic. I know Gopali does a lot of food challenges. Hats off to her, because this is so much of work, like especially when you have to make everything. In this video, if you haven't noticed, so far I've made everything, and I'm gonna be making dinner also myself. Then snacks also मैं खुद बनाने वाली हूँ, dessert भी मैं खुद बनाने वाली हूँ शायद. सिर्फ एक meal actually out of the whole day बाहर का होने वाला है. So yeah, let's just see how this video pans out by the end of it. But yeah, as I mentioned earlier, now I'm just gonna go start prepping for dinner. Hi guys, so I just woke up from a nap. As you can see, I got rid of all of my makeup because it's so hot. I just can't do it. I think it's been at least a week since I've worn like a proper full face of makeup. In the morning also today, you saw I was wearing like a very light base, but I couldn't do even with that. So I washed everything off, and I'm just gonna cleanse my skin really quickly. So in order to cleanse my skin, I'm gonna be using this Mamaearth apple cider vinegar foaming face wash. I really enjoy their foaming face washes. I especially really like the makeup remover. You guys have heard me talking about it quite a few times. This particularly has apple cider vinegar and aloe vera water in it. Now this product is supposed to really help you cleanse all the dirt from within. Now the apple cider vinegar in here is supposed to help you with the pH of your skin, like maintain the pH, whereas aloe vera, we all know, it's just a great ingredient in general. It's supposed to help you with hydration and plump your skin. You guys know all Mamaearth products are made of natural ingredients. They are toxin free, and they're also cruelty free. So very recently Mamaearth was awarded with PETA's cruelty free certificate. So I just cleansed my skin and feels really nice and really soft. Now other than the apple cider vinegar variant, they also have an Upton foaming face wash. This one has turmeric and saffron in it. If you guys want to try these products out for yourself, you can use my code MRIDUL2021 to get a 20% off on mamaearth.in. Other than that, all Mamaearth products are available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. So time for a quick snack. I'm going to be making a rainbow milkshake. So in order to make this milkshake, I have the milkshake here, the base of the milkshake. So basically it's just milk with some vanilla ice cream. I've run it in the mixie, and then here I have bowls with food coloring in them, and we're gonna need to work really fast because milkshake को thick रखना है, watery नहीं होना चाहिए. तो मैं इसमें pour कर रही हूँ. So let me quickly show you how I'm gonna do it. I'm not sure if this is gonna be successful, but we'll figure out in a second. Okay, so here I have my mason jar, and I think I'm gonna start with pink. I think pink should be the perfect start. Pink, so I'm just gonna dunk directly inside. Now that I think of it, मैंने बहुत कम बनाया है color. Then I'm gonna use my spoon ऐसे, okay, and then I'm gonna dunk the color very slowly and use the walls of my spoon. Oh my god, is it working? Okay, so take 2. This time Aditya is gonna do it because I failed miserably last time. Chalo, start karo. And this is what the milkshake looks like. I swear it looks much prettier in person, but I've already tried it. It just tastes like vanilla ice cream, to be very honest. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Very, very pretty and very colorful. So it is 7:30 right now, and I've already made one pizza. This I'm going to be sending to my parents, which is why it doesn't look as rainbow as the one that we're gonna make will look like. But yeah, this is pizza number 1. Okay, so for the veggies, I sauteed them in advance in some ghee, and I also added some seasoning. Okay, so I have my pizza base right here. I've cut it into 4 sections because it'll just be easier for me to do the stacking of the colors. You'll know what I mean in just a second. As for the toppings, the actual colors, we have the green broccoli, then we have the yellow corn, red bell peppers, purple onion, and then we have the orange carrots. I know who puts carrots on their pizza, but I have no other option at this point. So first up, we're going to be adding some marinara sauce, pizza sauce. This is the brand that I'm using. It's by American Garden. Just doing a layer, not a very thick layer, a medium layer I would say. Next I'm adding some cheese. This is the same cheese that I used in the afternoon. It's by Go Cheese. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be layering these pieces very neatly. Unlike how you would do otherwise, you would just like sprinkle on the toppings. I'm gonna very neatly add these on here. So the first color is gonna be red, then I'm doing the orange for the carrots.
Who puts broccoli on pizza?
Green के लिए we have broccoli. I actually really like broccoli. काफी मेहनत का काम है. Agar I was making like a normal pizza, I would be done making 2 by this point, like 2 full pizzas, not just 2 slices.
I'm gonna make the second slice off camera.
Okay, I think I'm gonna make the other 3 slices off camera because this is taking too long, but you guys get the drill. It's a rainbow pizza. It looks pretty. The pizza is on the pan and low heat पे ही रखना है इसको भी, and I'm just gonna cover it up with a thali or whatever, and इसको मैं I think 7 minutes का अलार्म लगा के छोड़ दूंगी ऐसे ही. So my pizza is ready. Tastes really good. I think it's mainly because of the cheese. Go Cheese is amazing. But the thing with this pizza is that when you normally eat a pizza, you'll get flavors of like all the different toppings. But यहाँ पे you'll get one layer at a time. तो आगे वाला layer मेरे लिए onion था, तो मुझे सिर्फ onion का taste आया. अब broccoli आएगा, फिर corn आएगा. So that's interesting. But either ways, I think this was a successful attempt at making rainbow pizza. Okay, so for dessert, I've called for some rainbow cake. Of course, I had to include a rainbow cake in the rainbow food challenge. So this is what I'm gonna have for dessert. And I'm also watching the Avengers movie. Amazing. What a great night. So I'm actually really tired of eating food, and my stomach also feels a little bit upset after all the food that I've eaten today. So luckily it's only 10:30 right now, so I can give myself a break of like a couple of hours, say I think 3 hours though for sure, and then we can have a midnight snack. So I'll catch you guys directly at night. Now, as one of the desserts, I tried to make a popsicle, which should have been honestly a very easy thing to do, like a rainbow popsicle, but I failed miserably at it, and by the end of it, it looked like brown gutter ke pani wala popsicle. Hi guys, so it is really late in the night. It is 2:30 AM. I'm here at Adya and Aditya's place. I came here a while ago, and she's so thoughtful and so sweet. She made me marzipan, a rainbow marzipan. I'll show you what it looks like in just just a second. So today when I'm filming the video, it's Good Friday and Aditya loves marzipan. She makes marzipan for him, I think, almost every year. So she was so sweet. She made a rainbow marzipan for me for this video. The camera is really messing up the colors, but this is red, this is orange, we have a blue one, green one, purple and a pink one. So I haven't actually tried it, so I should. Let's try the pink one, of course. So I've actually never had marzipan before. This tastes like Kaju Katli. Pretty good. But I think that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this rainbow food challenge. If you have more ideas as to how I can continue doing this food color challenge, let me know. Creative ideas, please let me know. And I think that's basically about it. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.